Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a mountain cabin with cabin life, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Start by defining your vision for your mountain cabin.
Consider the size, style, and purpose of the cabin.
Research local building codes and regulations. Select a suitable location that offers the best views and accessibility.
Evaluate the terrain to ensure it's suitable for construction.
Design the cabin layout, taking into account space and functionality. Create a detailed blueprint or hire a professional designer for assistance. Gather all necessary permits and approvals before starting construction.
Purchase quality building materials that are durable and weather-resistant.
Begin with site preparation by clearing any vegetation and leveling the ground.
Lay a solid foundation, using concrete or other recommended materials.
Construct the frame of the cabin, ensuring it meets safety standards.
Install windows and doors, prioritizing energy efficiency. Integrate insulation to maintain comfortable temperatures in all seasons. Proceed with roofing to protect the interior from the elements. Add exterior siding, choosing a style that complements the natural surroundings. Plan the plumbing and electricity setup if your cabin will have these amenities.
Focus on interior finishing, selecting flooring, walls, and fixtures. Consider adding a porch or deck to enhance outdoor living space. Landscape around the cabin to blend with the natural environment. Decorate the interior to reflect your personal style and comfort preferences.
Furnish the cabin with essential items to make it livable. Take time to enjoy the beauty of your new mountain retreat.
Complete any final touches and prepare for moving in.
Keep a maintenance plan in mind to preserve the cabin's condition over time.
Enjoy the journey of building and the memories created in your mountain cabin.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.